Welcome to the Chimney Cartel, where you can learn how to cook like a boss. It's where we have a lot of fun, and today we're cooking tacos with flank steak. Let's have some fun. So the first thing we're going to do is get a nice piece of flank steak and start trimming off some of that extra fat and some of the extra silver skin. You don't want to eat any of that. All that it'll do is just give you a chewy bite. It just won't taste good, and it will hinder the overall flavor of your burrito or taco a little later. You don't have to overdo it. Just trim off some of that extra fat that you see, that silver skin, and just use your knife skills. This is a good way to practice trimming out your meat. You want to make sure you get all of it, because like I said, nobody wants to get a hold of a big old piece of fat when they're eating a taco. So on the flip side of that, if you miss a flip it over, there's a big fat pocket on the tip of this flank steak. So I just kind of trim it out. You're not losing any meat, just kind of scrape along, pull that silver skin off, some of that excess fat, and a little later on, you're going to have an excellent bite when you eat your taco. When you're all finished, it should look like this. Nice, red, taking off all that surface fat and looking lean. So what we're going to do now is season it up with some Fours 9 Out White Lightning double garlic butter. This is going to add a great little base flavor to your taco. It's going to enhance all the other flavors that you put on, and even your vegetables when you put your vegetables on your avocado and your guacamole. Townsend steak seasoning, we love that on all the steaks. I put that on everything, anything beef. And you'll find me with a Townsend steak seasoning to put on. So I thought, why not try it on this and use it? And it turned out remarkable. Get a nice liberal coat over everything, and then sweet smoked cube. If it moves, that gives you a little bit of a heat to it. It's got a little bit of a heat to it, and accents. It has that pepper, a little bit of smoked paprika in it. That will help enhance the flavors of the taco. So when you eat it, you don't really have to put a lot of taco seasoning or anything of that nature. And one of the things I do, although I just added it to the middle of this video, is I usually have my fire started as I start the prep work on my meat. And then get it dumped into my PK grill, put my grates on it, put the grill grate on top of it, so that when it's ready and it's nice and piping hot, I can bring my steak out and just lay it right on top of it. It's a ribeye, a New York strip, or a flank steak. These grill grates with the PK and the B&B charcoal will work wonders on your steak. B&B charcoal is a cleaner burn. It doesn't give a lot of ash as you cook it. You're going to be pleased with it. Shut the lid. After a few minutes, you take it out, flip it over, and look at all those grill marks that are about to pop up on this video. Beautiful. Yours can look like that. Once it's ready, at around 145 degrees, I like to do it a medium rare. Then it turned out a little warmer. It's about 150 time we got it where we can slice it. I pull it off the grill, take it to the cutting board, and I let it rest. I let it rest for probably 15 minutes or more. Let those juices get right back and redistribute inside the meat. And then I slice it with my Gunter Wilhelm knife on a little bias. As you can see, I'm cutting it real thin, and I'm cutting it at an angle. This is going to give me more meat so that I can have more meat with less slices in my taco. And it's thin, and it's going to go a long way. We had a lot of leftovers when this is done. We fed the whole family with this. And the Gunter Wilhelm knives, if you don't have a Gunter Wilhelm knife, then you're missing out on a great product in order to slice your meat or your vegetables. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to get ready to make a little bit of guacamole and a little bit of a spread for our tacos. It's going to be a nice, it's got tomatoes, onions, avocado, garlic, and then a Greek yogurt type sauce that goes in it. Once you get everything sliced up and scooped out, you can dump it into your food processor, or in this case, the blender. Just dump it all in there together with the yogurt, cream cheese, how you want to do it, the guacamole, tomatoes, the onions, the garlic. We minced the garlic, as you can tell. And then turn it on, dash a little salt and pepper in there. And we also put a little bit of olive oil, so you just some of that down in there, a little bit more of a liquid to it. So when we get it all blended up, it'll be nice and easy to smooth out when you put it on your taco. Give it a couple little bursts, and then it'll all be ready. All right, once your smear is all done, liberally spread it over your burrito. Lay down a little bed of lettuce, and then add that flank steak. Lay it on here at a bias. Look how, because we slice it on a bias, how much it covers that burrito. So you'll get meat in every single bite when you bite it. I hate biting in a taco and I have no meat. This in here, you're gonna have some great meat. Sprinkle some cheese across the top of it, so it'll melt down in there with the heat of everything else. We use 2 different kinds of cheddar and a Parmesan. Roll it up, as you can tell, I'm not very good at rolling it up. I never worked at Chipotle or any of those places, but it works out well, gets the job done, and it tastes delicious. Alright, I'm going to pull that Gunter Wilhelm knife right back out again, give it a slice. Look how full that burrito looks with the cheese, the lettuce, the meat, the sauce. It was a remarkable burrito. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can check us out at ChimneyCartel.com. Let's have some fun, everybody.